In this video, I explain how the song "Sympathy for the Devil" by the Rolling Stones came about. You will also learn what makes the lyrics and the music so special. The song "Sympathy for the Devil" was recorded in 1968 by the Rolling Stones at Olympic Studios in London. The band came to the studio without a finished plan and developed the song spontaneously. Mick Jagger wrote the lyrics, inspired by a book by the Russian author Mikhail Bulgakov. During the recording, there was a fire in the studio, but the tapes were saved. Mick Jagger drew inspiration for the lyrics from the novel, The Master and Margarita. In this book, the devil visits the city of Moscow and causes chaos. The novel also tells the story of Pontius Pilate and the last days of Jesus. These ideas flowed into the song lyrics and made them very special. In the song, the devil speaks himself and recounts his rolling history. He says he was present at important events, such as the crucifixion of Jesus. The devil describes himself as someone with style and taste. The lyrics were adjusted after the assassination of Robert Kennedy to reference both Kennedy murders. The music of "Sympathy for the Devil" is a mix of rock and samba rhythms. The percussion instruments stand out, giving the song a distinctive sound. Mick Jagger sings with great energy, making the song very powerful. The combination of lyrics and music makes the song unique. The Rolling Stones are a famous rock band from England, founded in the 1960s. Mick Jagger is the lead singer and Keith Richards is the guitarist. They are known for their wild performances and catchy songs. "Sympathy for the Devil" is one of their most well-known works. The recordings took place in June 1968 and were highly improvised. During the sessions, director Jean-Luc Godard filmed a movie about the band. A fire in the studio destroyed many instruments, but the tapes of the song were saved. Producer Jimmy Miller helped finish the song. "Sympathy for the Devil" is considered a classic of rock music. The song encourages reflection on good and evil. Many fans and critics find the lyrics very profound. It is one of the Rolling Stones' most famous songs. The song was released in 1968 on the album Beggar's Banquet and was later issued as a single. Rolling Stone magazine ranked it number 2 on their list of the greatest songs of all time in 2004. In the UK, it reached number 21 on the charts. The song remains very popular today. Many artists have reinterpreted "Sympathy for the Devil." The band Tiamat recorded a version for their 1999 album. The German band The Twang recorded a country version in 2002. Robbie Williams also used parts of the song in his track "Let Me Entertain You."